Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable screen recording in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open, uh, just swipe down, you can see this screen recorder. Just you have to long press this and you can change the image quality. You can see this image quality. It is in HD 480 pixel. You can get higher by HD 720. You can also show tabs, record microphone sound. If you want to take without audio, then you have to disable this, and with audio just enable this. Press back, click on the toggle bar, and here it is, the screen recorder. Just click on the screen recorder and friends, you can see it has started right now. You can see this, and if you want to just pause this, just click on this, and if you want to remove this, just click on red icon and it will be saved. You can see this floating on the window. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.